welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is a channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, so it's Friday and the first day of May. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it that the year is going by so quickly already. Before we know it, it'll be back to Christmas time. But in today's video, I thought, you know what? I have some free time. Let's go thrifting. You guys know I love a good thrift shop, so I thought we would go thrifting and see what's new or what we can find new that might catch our eye. So if you want to go thrifting with me, just make sure you keep watching. Right off the bat, the first thing I see as I walk in the store is this glass candle holder. I love the modern aesthetic of it. It was very inexpensive and I considered getting it, but in the end, I did leave it in the store. This shopping trip, there were so many items in this Goodwill. It's one of my favorite Goodwills to go to because they usually have a good selection. It's more on the affluent side of town. You know, there can be some junk there as well, but for the most part, sometimes I can find some really, really nice pieces like this one. That was very, very nice, but I don't need another bowl, so I left that behind as well. This was a nice vase. I like the shape and I was contemplating what could I do with it. What's sort of the DIY? Then I'm thinking I have enough stuff. Don't try to bring things home that you don't really need. That is what I am concentrating on this year. Only bringing things back home that I absolutely need. Now this next piece, the greenery caught my eye against the black. I really love the look, but it was quite old and beat up, so I did end up leaving that in the store as well. I saw this bowl and I was very drawn to it. I love the faceted detail. I thought this would be perfect with some moss balls in it or some black balls. You guys know how I love black and white and I use silver as an accent. However, I did go ahead and leave that as well. I did run across a lot of really nice things this time, but again, I'm only trying to pick up things that I will absolutely use. I love these black candle holders. The price wasn't bad either, but again, I already have some candle holders, so I did leave those in store as well. Now this next item, these baskets, I saw them and I thought they would have been the perfect addition for Easter dinner. You could style them with some rolls or some napkins, and the price was very affordable. If I decorated with rabbits for Easter, I definitely would have picked these up. Now, one thing about me is I am a sucker for some really nice china. I'm always on the lookout for china, especially if it's white and silver. You can't go wrong with it. You can style it in so many ways. It's very, very versatile. So look how nice this looks. It looks so high-end, so expensive. That plate was a little expensive, and I already have some china plates, but I don't have any bread plates or little dipping bowls. So when I saw these little dipping bowls, I thought, should I get these? Should I not? Stay tuned until the end to see if I decided to pick them up. This candle holder reminded me of one that I saw previously from Studio McGee. I think I've also seen it from Joanna Gaines, and I considered picking it up, but I did leave that in store as well. I always love looking at the glassware as well because I'm always looking for something unique. However, I have enough glassware, so I did not pick up anything today, although I did contemplate picking up these little rocks glasses because I do have some juice glasses very similar to them. These chairs were a really nice find. All they needed was a really good cleaning, a little sanding, a little repainting, and they would have been good as new. If I had needed some new patio chairs, these definitely would have come home with me. As it was, I did leave them in the store, along with this basket. Again, so many nice things here at the thrift store. But I did show some restraint, and I only brought home a few pieces. So if you want to see what I brought home, just make sure you keep watching. Alright friends, we're back from our thrifting adventures, and I did decide to go ahead and pick up these bowls. I have some china that is very similar to this already. I have the plates, I have bread plates, but I didn't have anything like this little like saucer plate or spaghetti plate, I guess if you want to call it. And then this looks like a little dipping bowl to me. This is from Imperial China. Looks like it's never been used at all. This was 99 cents. And then this one was $1.99. So I picked up 6 of each. There was a set of 24 of these, 24 of these. So there was plenty left for someone to have a complete set. So I did not feel bad by picking up just the 6. So yeah, I thought these would be really nice. I can see these styled on a romantic dinner with a black tablecloth, with a white dinnerware and wine goblets and candlelight. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. And your guests would think you spent a lot of money when no, you just picked it up thrifting and you saved yourself a ton of money. So guys, this is what we picked up for our $20 thrift store challenge. All of these cost me $18 and some change. So again, we're only bringing things into my home that we are actually going to use. So I cannot wait to use these. So guys, if you have enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you in any way, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. I have lots of budget luxury, budget-friendly home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite find was from this video. For me, it was this dinnerware. I absolutely love it. There were a few things as well, like the candle holder that we didn't pick up and that bowl that we didn't pick up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite item. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.